Well, it's garlic scape season, and I hope everybody who planted garlic is harvesting the scapes. This will help you produce a bigger bulb. I will be making pesto out of this. So I'm going to go all the way down the row and harvest as much as I can. And I'm sure I'll miss a couple. Boy, if this isn't a sure sign summer's here, I don't know what is. So I harvested garlic scapes and I'm running out to the garden this morning. Yesterday we had a rain day, so I had a baking day. So I got all my bread and a couple things done to put in the freezer. And there was a lot of stuff, salad dressings made, salads were made. So yesterday was a really busy day. So today, sun is out, the humidity's low. It's a perfect day for gardening. So I am trying to get out of the kitchen this morning. I am going to make some garlic scape oil. I like making the oil because it is done in 30 seconds to a minute. I don't have to stand here and chop nuts or do anything for, normally I would do pesto, but if you make garlic scape oil, stick it in your freezer, then you can pull that out and make pesto out of that. Or it's much more versatile. You can stir fry with it. You can make salad dressings out of it. I just like it a lot better than having a whole tray full of Scape pesto. I have more uses for the oil than the pesto, although I do have a lot of Scape pesto. so, so we're gonna jump on this, and then I'm gonna get outside. Okay, that's it. So I've got two nice jars. This is very potent, so that will last a long time. I have four more jars out there already. Bread's going out, banana bread, rhubarb coffee cake. Is everybody dehydrating? My dehydrator has been running nonstop. So these are broccoli leaves that I pulled off all the broccoli I processed, and it'll be turned into green powder. It stays better. It stays longer preserved if you leave it in the cut form. The powder doesn't last as long. It's not as viable. So I leave it like that. And then I'll probably put an air seal bag in it. But all my greens I'm pretty much harvesting right now. So this is going to go in the freezer. The dishes are washed. The kitchen's cleaned up as much as it's going to get. And I'm going to go out and start pruning. Thanks for watching.